Now we're ready to put the filler over the epoxy. First thing you want to do is wipe the panel down really good with 398 Final Wipe. Got to make it nice and clean. This had moldings down the side of it, and the moldings all got removed. And now it's time for filler, which goes over the epoxy. And then after all the sanding and all the work, you final it in 180, and we're going to bury it with the 771 high build epoxy. All right. Okay, second layer of filler. 398. Wipe it down. Won't hurt the filler at all. You blow it off with the air first, and wipe it down with the 398. Try to keep your hands off of it, your oily fingers. .398 evaporates right away. Well, not right away, within a few seconds.